Hey Beauty, I'm Tammy, entrepreneur, educator, and Canadian small brand founder, and this is Behind the Lash with Tammy. For over a decade, the beauty industry has been my passion, but my journey hasn't been a straight line. I've built my salon, launched my product line, survived unexpected setbacks, rebuilt from scratch, and learned that the real lessons in business happen in the moments no one talks about. And that's why this podcast exists. Here, we go beyond the highlight reel. We'll talk about the truth behind building a business, the wins, the pivots, the heartbreak, the resilience, and everything in between. My goal is simple: to help you feel seen, supported, inspired, and confident in your own journey as an entrepreneur, creative, or a woman building something of your own. If you're ready for honest conversations, real stories, and business wisdom that actually applies to your life, you're in the right place. Welcome to Behind the Lash with Tammy. Subscribe now. Your first episode starts here.